Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will make a one product Shopify dropshipping store using the latest Debutify theme. As you know, Debutify is one of the most popular free theme in Shopify and also is use few more pro feature as well to show you the power of the theme. And this is a really a high converting one product store that we will build, and this how the website will look. So as you can see, when you scroll down the website, there is a headline and with a background image, and there is a shop now button. If you scroll down, we can see there is few more product headline and also with few benefits and order now button. And also in the below there is a product section, and with this there is a bundle comes in with the products that is added by Debutify theme. And also there is a few details about the product. If we scroll down, we can see more product details here as well, and also few testimonial, and then there is few FAQ about the products. You can all do that by yourself very easily with a drag and drop inside the Debutify customizer option. And below that we will add few reviews using one of the most popular Shopify review app called Loox. And under that there will be guarantee badges that we show to the user for more proof, and this is the footer. And we also have a product page. If anyone click on the shop now button, it will redirect the user to the product page, and the product page will also be able to show you the bundle that is provided, and again the few product benefits and FAQ as well. And we have also the contact us page in the website as well, and there is the other few page as well. So if you interested to know how to build a one product store especially using Debutify theme, then this video is really perfect for you. And who will not be benefited from this video? The people that wanted to learn about product research. The product research part will not be shown in the video, only the design will be shown in the video. And also who wanted to learn about the email marketing etc, the related technical things about the shop, this will not be included in the store. The main purpose of this tutorial will be the design of a one product store. So if you interested, watch the video till the end, and thank you very much for watching the video. So let's get started with this tutorial. You will need to have a Shopify store. So for this you can go to shopify.com and sign up for 14 days free trial, or create a development store from Shopify partner. So I have already created a development store from my Shopify partner account, and now I will start the tutorial. So without delay, let's get started. So before get started, I will just want to mention few points. Before you get started, just try to gather few things. First one is you have to have a products for your store, and also you need to have some other assets like logo, like what font you will use, and also a inspiration store from which you can take inspiration and build a store around it. For this tutorial purpose, I will use this store as a inspiration, and also I will use the images and text from store to for the tutorial purpose only. And please remember, when you are making an actual store, don't try to copy anyone, because you need to branded your products yourself. For this product, for this store, and for this tutorial, I will make a store around this product and take some inspiration of colors, text, etc and layout from this website. So you can find a related website from your niche and try to build one branded store following this high converting store. And also you need to have your color palette ready, which color you wanted to use, something like that, and then we can get started. So first step will be, I will go to online store, and as you know that debut in by default Shopify has a theme called Debut theme, but in this tutorial we will use another theme that is called Debutify. So first we will install the Debutify theme. To install the theme, you will find a link in the description. Just click the link to install Debutify, and just go to this link, and then you will come to this website of Debutify. Then what you need to do is to click on this free download option, and then you have to give your name and your email address. So I'll give my name and give my email. address, and then I'll click on free download, and then you have to give your store name. So go back to Shopify and then just copy those my.shopify.com of your store name and paste it here, then click free download. Then it will redirect us to our Shopify admin dashboard, and then we have to give it the permission to be installed in our website. Then I will click on install app, and this will redirect us to the Debutify dashboard after it is installed. And one thing to mention, Debutify gives us 14-day free trial to use all of their premium feature of the theme. So I will use few of the premium feature and also install the theme and click on add to library so we can start using the theme. Then Debutify has been successfully added. Then we'll click on add Debutify 3.0. So we will add this to the theme library. So we can publish the theme and install it and using the theme to be design our website. So now if we go to our online store and themes, and if we install in refresh our front of the online store and themes, then we can see that Debutify theme has been added to our themes library. Then go below. Now you can see Debutify 3.0 active. Click on action and then click on publish. So the theme will be published, and then we can customize the theme to have our design. And another thing to mention is we are getting 14 days free trial. Then you have to choose a plan, and you can choose a plan if you need this, and we will use few of the premium feature which is really helpful for one product store. So if you think it is helpful, then you can upgrade your plan according to your need. Now let's get go back to our admin dashboard. So now we will add the products in our store. To add the products, if you are using AliExpress, you can do it from apps, and then you can store is go to shops and install overlay app, which is very famous for Shopify dropshipping store. Then you can install AliExpress products in your store. But for this I will also add a Shopify. I will add the products manually, so I will not use overload. But if you are using a AliExpress products, then you can install overload and install the products or import the products in your product section. For this I will add the products manually, so I will click on products, then I will click on add product, then I will give it a name, and also I will give it a price of $69. Currently it is showing BD. Then I will add the image that I have saved from the Trimmer Boss website. Then I will give it a quantity of 100. So the product is active. So this is a physical product. Then I will click on active and then click on save. So the products is available now. So we have one products to work with. Then I will add a description of few lines and then click on save. So we have added the products, we have installed the theme, and now we can get started with our homepage design. So for that I will click on online store once again, and then click on customize to go to the theme customizer option so we can design our home page. Then we will design our product page, a contact us page, and finally we will make the necessary Shopify page that is required in our store, like the legal pages of privacy policy, shipping and return, etc. So let's get started with the design. So now let's get started with the homepage design. So first of all, what I would like to do is to give my website a color scheme. So as I have mentioned, you need to first fixed your color scheme, which type of color you wanted to use in your website. So now I will set those colors and also the font that I like to use. So for that I will scroll down and you can find a theme setting option, then go to colors, and then you will find there is option called background and there is something called text. So this is one of my color for background. I will just copy this color as I have saved it already, and then I will give it here. So you can see the header has been changed. So my main color is green and white. So these will be my two of my colors. And for header, I am happy with this yellow colors as well. And then we can go to buttons. So for buttons, I will use this color, this green color, but there is few difference with this color. So I will just copy this color and then I will go to the buttons area. Then you will click and then you will see the buttons has been changed. Then for background and for links I will just create, so this is the, no, this is the level of the button, so I will just put it here as well, and then just go up, and then so these are for pages. Oh, okay, so these are for pages. So this is the buttons color, so I will put the color as well. So now you will see the buttons has been changed, and also this button has been changed. And then for the footers there is also a button color. You can see these icons has been changed, and for this subscribe I will also give the button color, the button that we are using. Now you can see it is working, and then we will need to change it to white. Text should be white and button level should be white as well. So this is looks good, and then the overlay should be black, right? So you want something black, but it should be 30%. Okay, so this is good. And then there is something called drawer, means these type of things is also need to be changed. So I'll make it green as well. Now you can see it becomes green, and also these colors needs to be changed. I think I will make it black, right? So these colors, borders, button labels, so I think this should be black. So this is looking black. Form elements, this could be black as well. So this is looking good right now. And for footer I will go with black color for this footer, and for border I will also go with black as well. So this has been changed, and as you can see we have given the green and black and white, a combination that you wanted. So this color setting has been done. Now we can move back and go to our setting for the font. So for font setting we need to see something. So there is no typography, so if you scroll down we will find a typography option. Just click on it. And for this website I am happy with Poppins semi bold, so these are looking good, so I don't want to change it. So these are pretty good. You can change the one whatever font you wanted to use. So Poppins looks good. And now let's start with the top bar. So for this top bar we need to go to announcement, and then we will hide those icons. So I'll just uncheck those and then clear those text. We'll only left a message with free shipping and 30-day returns. And if you want to add more scrolling announcement bar, you can click on add image. Then you will see there will be a option to be showed for this. So I don't think this is required. I will only give this one message, and you can change the message here as well. If you click on it you will find the message to be changed, right? So this is how we can change the message, and I don't want to change anything more. Then I will go back to this setting, and for this pop-up is showing and it is also annoying, so I will just click on theme setting, and then go down, you will find a pop-up, newsletter pop-up, as you can see. So I will deactivate this newsletter pop-up so it won't disturb us anymore. Then I would like to do is go back, and then you can see there is an Instagram feed. So for this Instagram feed, you need to come back to this theme setting and then scroll down and find the Instagram feed setting as well. So here we will find an Instagram feed setting as well. So click on it. So you can see add to cart animation is checked, cart countdown is checked, cart discount is checked. Just go back to the bottom of the page and you will find Instagram feed is enabled. Just unclick this, so Instagram feed will be gone. Then we have mega menu, mobile menu, newsletter pop-up is also need to be unchecked. So pricing table, we want this, quick view, everything else is looking good. But so these are the settings I like to do. Then I will go back, and now we can work with this as well. So you can see there is some options in the header. So if you don't like any of this option, you can go there and you can work with it. But in that case, I will just wanted to, so you can see there is a currency option, there is a card option, there is a search option. So for this to check or enable, you have to go to theme setting and then go to add-ons, and then you have to uncheck any of these if you wanted to don't want them there. So cookie box, for cookie box you can uncheck it, so cookie box will be gone. And for other, you need to uncheck them to be enable them from the search. So these are the things we can show or we can disable. So then go back, and then now we will start designing our home page. For you will see some guarantee badges here, we can customize them. But for now I will add a section. So as this is our inspiration website, they have a header image. So for this I will click on add section, and then you can go below and you will find a slideshow option. So I will add this slideshow here. So click on it and then click add slide. But for this I will not use one more than one. So I will click on it and then click on select image, then upload the image from your website. So this is my image, so I will upload it. So it will take some time to be uploaded. So then click on select. So as you can see, the image is showing to us properly. Then what we can do is we can show the overlay is already there, and then we have some text to be updated. So there is the heading, there is the text. So for this I have already have taken some text. So this is our text. For this headline will be this, and then we can go with this. So this will be our paragraph, and then we can make it not bold. So then what we need to do is, as you can see, there is two buttons, but I don't want this other button. So I don't want this learn more to be here. So what I will do, I will just delete the learn more button and leave with the shop now only. And what you can do, you can see there the shop now button is currently is not matching with our buttons of this website. So we want them to be green and white. So for that we need to go back to our theme setting and then go back to colors and then scroll down to see, there you can see there is will be something that we are missing here. So for this we need to come to this page and then come to this background, and you will find something called buttons. Then what we need to do is to copy this and give this buttons of this background, and then we have to give it white color. All right, so this how it works. So now shop button is working. Then we can go back to this area, and then you can go to this slider, and then what we need to do is to enable this button to link to our product. So this is our product. So when people click on it, they will go to the product page of this product, right? So this is our website. So this is our hero image. Then we can go for the next section. So for next section, I will just wanted to add a section that is with a text and image. So I will scroll down and I will go with image with text. So there will be a image in left and a some text about the products and benefits will be in the right side. So I will select this image, and then for the second section this will be my title. So I will copy this, and then what I will do, I will go there and in the heading I will put this, and for the description I will put this as well. And but this shouldn't be bold. Okay, so we can make it bold. Then we can add few more benefits about the products. So these benefits will be 5 or 5 to 6. So this has to be 5 to 6, and then button will be order now. Right, so this will be order now, and then we can link the button absolutely to our product page, right? So when people click on this order now button, they will go to this, but in that case we can make them left centered, right? So they are making it left centered. So I'll text a line, I will go back with left, so you can see everything is now look in the left. And for blank background I can go for ancient background, but it is not working, so I want a blank background. So as you can see, this is looking good, but we can add another more section here. It is called this featured text section. The featured text section could be, so we'll go back there and you can see featured content. So we will add that, and then what we can do is to give it a title about the products. So this title could be this one with a line of about the products, something catchy, right? So then what we can do, we can move this section by clicking on it and drag it before this section. So there will be slider and these one line sections, and again few benefits about the products, and then order now button will be linked to this product page. And then what we can do is we can add another image with text section, right? So what we will do, you will add another image with text section, but this time the image will be on the right side and the text will be on the left side. So for this image you can use another image. So I will upload another image about the text about the product. Then what you need to do, you need to give it another title, something like that, and then you will just go to the heading and paste your headline about the products, and also few more description about the products, what this product is all about. And also this needs to be, everything don't needs to be bold. So the boldness could be gone and some section will be bold. So Timabo easily remove grass, something like that. And then what we can do is to give it a button again. So this will be order now, right? So this will be order now, and then this button will be linked to the product page, and also this text will be left aligned as well. So there is a consistency in that case. And then the most important part is to add the product section. So we'll add the product section with bundle feature. So just click on add section and then go to the featured product and click select. Now the product is visible to us. Then select the product that you wanted to show here. So we have only one product. Okay, so then what we can do is we can make the product to add few contents, add description or add reviews. So we can add a description here. You can see this is the description, about the products, so we can give it a title as well. Then you can see there is some product type, product tags, product full details, link, etc. Will I will just uncheck all of them, right? And then there will be this option is looking good, and then there is a share option. We have to move this share option from here, and also this add to cart is looking good. Then what we can do is to make a bundle here. So for the bundle, we go to the, so let's go to quantity breaks for making the bundle, and then we need to add this quantity. So I'll click on add quantity. So this will be for two products. I will give it a name of 20 of 20 of. So this will be a 20% off by percentage. Okay, so this is 20% percentage off, and this will be the coupon discount code. So we will add the discount code later. And let's go back again, and then I will click on this again, and it will be for three quantity. So this will be 30 off. The amount will be 30% if they bought the three quantity. You can make it 10, 15 as you wish. Just remember to put this percentage here correctly. If you are making for 10%, give it 10, 15, 20 as you like. So this will be percentage, and if you want to give it fixed amount like $20, $30, then you can select this fixed amount option. Then people will get $30 discount when they purchase three. So in that case I will use the percentage module. So then go back. So I will just add 1, 2 and 3. So 1 is already available, I added for 2, 3. You can go for more like 4 and 5. This is all your wish. Then go back, and then we need to make it save so that changes appear in our front end. So now we can see that we have buy one for, so this is currently not in dollars, so I will just re-edit the prices, and then you can see there is buy two and there is buy three, right? And there is save 20%, save 30%. The next thing we need to do, as we have created, as you can see we have created 20 off and 30 off. So we need to create a two discount code for this. So we need to get to discount code, and we give it a name for 20 off. So we gave it 20% discount for this coupon code, applied all product, and we have only one product. If we have multiple products, then we need to select the product that we wanted to apply the discount for. Then minimum quantity of items 2. So minimum quantity of items 2, then this code applied. And then we can have the active date from today, and the end date you can set the end date as well, like after 1 or 3 months as you wish. So I will just go for this, and then click on save. And there is another one we need to create, right? So what we will do, we will create another discount code for 30% off. So we'll get again on the discount code. So I'll create a another discount code. So I'll create card, will get a responsibility in their card. Then enter a code in the checkout. So will automatic will be a better option, because the customer don't need to put it. They will automatically get the 30 off. So this is the percentage. The value is 30% for specific products. So this is our product. So I'll click on add. So minimum items will be 3, and set the end date. So I'll just click as date. So this is not important. So you can see this is automatic discount is available. So as you can see, this discount is available right now. So this discount has been added. So we can have two types of discount. Now we will work to remove these things from my product page. So I don't think this looks good, and don't think this is necessary. And also this sales pop-up as well. To remove this option from our product page, so these are some Debutify add-ons. So we have to go to theme setting, then you can go to Debutify add-ons. So first use, as you can see, there is a add to cart, right? So there is add to cart and it is shaking. So if you don't want to have these effects in your add to cart, you can just uncheck this. So I don't like this type of shakes effect, but few people like. So if you want, you can enable this. So another thing is age check. So if the website contains something for the 18 plus people, that the people must be check mark that yes, I am 18 years old, and then they can proceed to the website. Then you can check mark this. In that case, this products is not something that I have, the user should be 18 plus, so this is not required. Then there is a card countdown, so there could be a card countdown, so I don't want this. And then there is card discounts, card gold, card savings, everything is good. And then color swatches is good, not custom currencies, delivery time. So I will just enable this. So this is the delivery time things, but if you want this, you can enable it. I will just enable this. Discount saved will be there, FAQ will be there, and then inventory quantity. So I will just remove this inventory quantity from the page. And then there is the scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and then there scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and then you will find the sales countdown. So I'll just enable this as well. And then this sales pop as well. And then the shop protect. So if you want to, people don't have the access to copy the text from your store, then you can enable this. So I will enable this. Then social discount, so I will just uncheck this. I don't want this. And if you want the trust pages as well, you can leave this as well. And also this 31 visitors, so if we scroll back, we will find the option called live view. Okay, so I will just uncheck this. I don't want this as well. This does not looks good to me. So these are the options. This I just don't want to be in my product pages. So for now these options is looking good, so people can buy 1, 2 and 3 quantity with the bundle. So next things what we will do, I will just go and add another image with text section for another benefits or product details, right? And then we will add a FAQ section here. So for this I will click on add section, and then I will click on image with text. Then I will give the image to the right side in that case, and I will select an image. You can upload any image. For this I will also use this image as well. And then we need a heading, so our text alignment will be left. Then we need a heading, so I will just copy one heading that I have already saved in my document file. So put a heading about the product, and then put some description about the product as well. So I will just remove this bold text format, so the bold text is not enabled. Okay, so this is okay. Then I will click on but order now, right? So this will be order now, and these buttons will link to the product sections. So this is the product sections. So this is now looking good. And then we'll go back and I will try to add few reviews, and we will also add reviews by Loox as well. I will show you how to do that with an app. So we'll go back at section and we'll go to this testimonial area. Just click, select, and then testimonial area will be appeared. So you can add an image to the testimonial. For this I will add this image. Click on select and go back, click on again another image for the testimonial. I will have 3. And then what we need to do is to click on show section. So now testimonials is showing, and also you can change the testimonial text and also the client's name as well. So this is looking good. So I won't change anything more. This is looking good. We can give it a medium or something like that. Show arrows, dots. So I will just go for 3. So this is good. So I'll go back, and now what we can do, we can click on add section, and now I will add few FAQ in that case for the product. So I'll click on FAQ, click on select. So these are some premium features which is really good from Debutify theme. So I'll click on this, and I will just remove this category option. I just wanted to add questions, so there will be, you can have 5 questions, so I will add, in that case I will just add 3 questions, right? Then what I will do also is to, I will just enable this search option. Then what if see they did not find any question, our customer will happy to help you, get in touch. So you can connect this get in touch button with contact us page later. So in that case I will add few questions. So I already have saved a one question, so you can have your own FAQ and just copy paste them. So in that case I will just give it, and also some answer as well. I will just, so these are my questions. So same goes for these as well. You can just copy paste few of your question. If you want more question, you can add content and click on questions, and then another question will be added. For first one I will make it open by default, so whenever people visit the page, this will default open the FAQ. So for this home page we are already done, we just need to have these badges corrected. So for this we will just go back, and you will find a option called guarantee. So this is already built in with Debutify theme. So that click on this option, and also you can give a icon or you can give an image. So I will give an icon of trophy, but this icon is not loading. So I will give a icon of lock. Yes. So I will add this one, 100% secure, 100% secure. Okay, and then you can also change this text as well. So same goes for this, 100% secure, and then we can go for something like this. So I don't sure, so we can add image or add an icon. So in that case I will just add uh, an icon. So these are the icons we can add and give them a title. So in that case 100% secure, then we can add 30-day money back guarantee and free shipping as well. So I'll give it a 30-day money back guarantee. So this is it, and we can also see the what the icons are available in that case. So if I'll click on view icons, then the Google fonts will be appear, and we can choose any icon that you wanted to have in our store. So this is called lock, and then we can find many more icons like that from this store, and we can give those names and add them in our guarantee icons. And we can also upload the images. So there is a plenty of option, you can choose any icons. And if you just to show you, if I wanted to add this icon, just click click the icon, and then you will find this one, you have to copy. So for this is the icon name. So I'll go back there. So for this I just wanted to add this icon, I will just paste this name, so you can see the icon has been added. So you have to go this actions, and we have copy this, and you can find these links here, and you can go this materials icon section of Google Fonts and copy those icons as you like. So these are how the guaranteed section will be shown, and if you wanted to uncheck this, you can just hide this like that. So I will just leave it as it is. So these are the home page layout for me. You can have plenty other option, and now I will work with my menu and all the other necessary pages, and I will create the other necessary pages as well. So let's click on save, so we can go back to our dashboard, and we can create the other pages, so we can link them below with quick links, So we have a contact us page, we have a privacy policy, shopping, shipping, etc pages. So click on it and then go back and exit to the dashboard. Then go back to pages and we will add new pages in our store. Count the quantity breaks. So to create the legal pages, I will just go to this setting and I right click and open this in a new tab. So what that will do, it will open the setting of our store, and then what we can do is we will find a few legal pages automatically created inside Shopify, so we can copy paste them in our store. So after clicking the setting section, you will find the option called legal. So click on this legal option and then we will find four options to generate the legal pages. So first is refund policy, then privacy policy, and then terms of service, and that is shipping policy. So we will use those template and add them as a page in our store. So I will click for refund policy, click create from template, and this will automatically create a template for you. And then if you think anything is not up to your standard, then you can change it. Like in that case, it is showing an email that I am using to open the store, but in that case this will be a email related to my store, so I can change that email later. But for now I will copy this refund policy option and go to my website, the dashboard again, and click on online store and then click pages. So I will add those pages into my store, the legal pages that is necessary for every store. Then click add page, then give this page a name. So I'll just paste the name that I have copied, refund policy. And then what I will do, I will just click on it and I'll just control A and control C to copy all the text that inside this editor. Then I will go back to the page and then I will click this option, select this option and control V to paste all the text. And then what I'll do is to click on save. So this will add the refund policy page in our store. Then I will click on create another page. So refund policy is done. Then I will go to privacy policy. So I will copy the privacy policy and then I will give this a name of privacy policy, and then I will do the same for it, create from template. So for this as well, if you think anything is not up to your standard, you can have the option to edit it. And what I will do, I will click on Control A and Control C to copy all the text from here and then go back to my page and then Control V to paste all the text. Similar I will do for terms of service as well. So let's do it really fast. So create another page and then click create from template and then Control A, Control C and go back and Control V and then click save. And the last is shipping policy. So I'll create another page and then go back here and then I will just tell create from template. So shipping policy is not somehow showing us create from template. Okay, so basically these are actually the same. So shipping policy and terms of service, I think the same. The shipping policy, I don't see the template here, so I will just copy another text that I have found in other website. So in shipping policy and delivery, we will find some things that when and where it is takes times to deliver. So then I will click on the save. You can have those shipping policy from other pages as well, from other website. In that case, I copied from my inspiration website, so I will click on save. So we have created all the necessary legal pages. Then another page is need to be created. It is called the contact us page. So for this I'll choose the page dot contact, so it have a contact form in our page. So if we click on this page, you will see that there is a form, so people can submit those form and send an email to us in that case. So now what we can see is that the necessary page has been created And now we can go back to our store and add those in our navigation. So head back to navigation, and then what we will do, first of all we have a main menu. So for main menu, what I will do, I will just delete this catalog and I will add menu, and in that menu I will click buy now, and this buy now button will actually link to the only product that have in our store. And then for the second, I will click on this and then click on pages, and then I will select the contact us page, then I will click on edit, and then I will click on save. So this is our main menu, the menu that we see in that case. So if we refresh this, you will see that the home, buy now, and the contact us page has been added. So for the footer menu, we'll go again to the navigation and then click on this footer menu, and then we'll click on delete this search option, and we'll add all the necessary pages that is needed here. So we'll click on link, then click on pages, then we can add those pages. Privacy policy, click on add, then again click add menu item, then click link, then click pages, then click refund policy, click on add, then click add item, then click pages, then click shipping policy, then click add menu item, pages, and last is terms of service, then click add, and then click save. So we have to call this menu item in our theme as well, then click on themes, then we can go to customize option, and if we scroll down we can see that the quick links has been added. But for footer, I will click on footer, and I will change this quick links to legal pages, or we can say it quick links as well. So there is no issue, I think quick links is good, so quick links will be okay. So quick links is good. In that case, there you can see they have added about us, contact us, and also a logo area. But I think I am happy with this structure as well. So this is not something we can worry of, but we can change those email, those phone number as well from our store, and I will show you how to do that. So in that about us, you can see there is an email, yes, and there is a phone number. So if you don't want to show them, just deselect them, and these will be gone, and you can add your own about us text in this case. Earphone, follow us on social media. If I go there, I will just enable them. So payment icon, you can show them powered by Shopify and theme by Debutify. I will just uncheck all of them. So these are not required in my website, so I will just uncheck them from powered by Shopify and theme by Debutify. Another thing is left is, if we see this FAQ area, so these are the FAQ area. So this FAQ area have a button get in touch. So in that get in touch, we can now link this to our contact page. So when people click on it, they will go to the contact page, right? So this is okay, and this is looks good, and I can click on save. So our home page task is complete. So as you know, the most necessary page for a one product store is the home page, and another page is the product page. So now we will start designing our product page. So for design the product page, what you will do is click on this drop down and then click product pages, and this will redirect us to our product page. So in the product page, you already see there's some things has been already added, like the bundle that we have created, right? So we'll click on product pages, and then what we can do, product type, I'll just uncheck it, product type, okay. Then zoom, show quantity picker, show product description, all is good. We can add contact, we can add reviews, we'll add product description in that case. So product description will look good. Then what we can do, we can add quantity breaks in there, in this as well, right? So you can see the product description is added, and we have to delete the other product description. So I'll go to the product pages, and I will just product description. So this is needs to be added. So there needs to be product text, product collection. Okay, so this is added. So what we can do is now add few more section in our theme as well. I'll click on image with text. So I'll click on add new raw. So now we can add few more uh, things about the product as we did in our homepage. So this is our homepage will look like. So like the homepage, we can add an image and then a text and also few lines about the products. Then what we can do, I can add another section, same for this as well, but in that case we can give the image to right and the text to left, right? Then we can go do as well is we can go back now and we can add the FAQ in that case as well. So to FAQ, add content and then click questions. Now FAQ will be added, and for FAQ in that case I will just will add one to show you, as you know how that works. But for these pages I will hide the search option and also I will hide the banner as well, so we don't want the people to go back from this FAQ area, right? So this is our what product page will look like. And also in product pages we can add the bundle as well, but in that case I will not do that, as you already know how to add that what we show in the home page, so we don't need this anymore. So for header we can go and see some things in that case. So if we see the header area, we can see we can add mega menu, we can add products, we can add blog post, but we don't need them anymore. For this we need to remove this. So we need to remove these breadcrumbs. To remove this, what we will do is go to this theme setting and then go advanced setting, and if you scroll down you will find a option. If you scroll down you will find a option called, just scroll down, you will find an option called page and then show breadcrumbs. So click on it and the breadcrumbs of these options will be gone. We don't need them anymore. So this has been removed. So the product page is now looking good. And as you can see we have this share option in our pages, in home page and in product page as well. If you want to have them or you want to link your pages, you can do that, but I just wanted to remove them. To remove them or to add your social media links, what you can do is go to theme setting, and if you scroll down you will find the option called social media. So click on it and you can see these are check marks. So I just don't want the Facebook share or Twitter or pin or WhatsApp, everything I will uncheck. And if you want to them to be added, then what you can do is to give those links in that case, right? So this will be added. Now it is removed because I don't want them to be here. And also the sticky add to cart is a good feature, I will leave that like that. So these are working fine, and this is a minimal product page, but we can add more things in our product page. Like we did to image with text, we can have more image with text. Here we can add more raw to increase the feature of the products, that what we did in our home page. So as you already know this, I won't do that anymore in the product page again. So I'll click on save, and then I will show some few of the other section that you may need to do. So for that I will just exit, and for now the task of our designing and one product store has been completed. And as you can see, the design is already completed to design the home page, and we have already designed our product page, and we have added a contact us page and all the legal pages. The rest things is some general setting that you need to do. So for this we will exit our theme customizer, then go to the setting option, and then if you go to the general you can find few option of your store, like your store name. If for some reason you want to change this store name from this type of area, then you can do is to change this area. Then also your store contact, if you have a generalized, if you have a specialized or a specific Gmail or email for your store, then you can add it here. And for your company phone name, everything you need to add from here. And also your time zone, everything can be changed from here. And also the currency, right now it is my currency, I'll change it to USD, and then I'll click on save. And then I will add a phone number, right? And then I'll click on save. So this will add our currency and change our currency. So these are general settings, and also you need to change add your payments, which is really easy. And if as it is a development store, I won't be able to show you that, but this is really easy, you can do it on your own. And last thing we will do, we will add few reviews in our store, few more social proof, so this have the real vibe in our store. So to add reviews in our store, we will add a popular Shopify app review app called Loox. To install Loox, you will find a link in the description. Just click on the link, and then you will find this page. Then click on add app, and then we have to give our store URL. Just copy this URL and go back there and paste it here. Then click on login, and then choose your store email. So this case, this is my email, so I will just then click on install app. So in that case, you will have to choose a plan. As this is a referral store, I will just click on use Loox for free. But if you are in a 14 days free trial or in a running store, you have to choose a plan depending on your preference. So you can choose a $9 plan, $15 plan, etc. But I will just click on use Loox free, and then the Loox reviews settings will be appeared in our store. Then we can click on get started, and then we also click on continue. Then we can click on continue, and then we can click on skip and finish. Now the setting has been arrived. To add Loox reviews in our store, what we need to do is to go to the display reviews option there, and just scroll down, and you will find a option here there is called star rating, right? So what you do is to copy this code. To add reviews, what we'll do is click on display reviews, and then we'll go scroll down, and you can see there is option called themes. And what we need to do is to select our theme. So this is our current theme. We'll click on it, and we'll click on integrate Loox. So this will integrate Loox, so the Loox integration successful. So for that, what we can do is now click on the import reviews. And the next thing is to do, when you are in Chrome browser, you can see this option import to Loox. You will drag this into your bookmark area like that. So now you can see there is a import to Loox option is available, right? So what we will do is to go AliExpress and find a similar product that you are using in your store, right? So if you are using Obaldo and import a product, then you already know which products you are importing. Then go to this product. So this is the similar product that I am making store with it, a trimmer. So I just found this product is a 226 reviews. So in I will come to this product page and click on import reviews, and then I will just click on it and select the product that I wanted to reviews for. In that case, I will import 20 reviews. We can import 100 reviews as well, and the ratings will be 4 stars enough. Reviews from all countries and translate to English. Only reviews with photos, and fetch most recent reviews, right? And then you click on preview and import, and the next step is to see. So in that case, there is no text. I will reject it, and I will import it. I will import it. This is I already import. Just try to see if there is a text, and also the image is looking good or not. Just click on import. I will reject this. Click on import. Click on import. So I'll just import this really fast, right? So now the import has been successful. So to see if the import is working or not, we have to go back to our store and click on products, and then click on preview the products on our store. And then if we go down, we can see the review has not yet been added. So to see if the review is working or not, we have to go back to our customizer option and check. Okay, so to add reviews in our store, what we need to do is go back to online store and then click on apps. Just refresh the apps section and then click Loox reviews again, and then click on reviews, and then what we can do is click on more action, so we can add it to homepage carousel. We can do that for this as well. The more we want, the more will be added to our homepage. So I will just give 5 or 6 to homepage carousel. So this how you can add them to homepage carousel. Now we'll go back to the customizer and refresh the page, because we did not do that. So the homepage carousel is not showing, the reviews is not showing in homepage. So now if you go back here, and if I click on add section and then go up bottom, and you will find a Loox carousel. So click select, and now you can see there is a carousel, and we can scroll down and see other reviews as well, right? So this how it works. Use all of these product reviews, so you can only select the product that you wanted to show the reviews for. So this is our, so click on save, and this will work fine. And now if you go to product pages, we wanted to show the reviews in the product pages as well, and also you can see the reviews also added in the product page as well. Now we will work on this section. We don't want this, we want to remove this. To remove this, we'll go to theme setting, and then you will go to the Debutify add-ons, and then just scroll down, and you will find an option called upsell bundles. So just uncheck it, and also we can remove this wish list as well. So now you can see it is being removed, and now it is working properly. So these are the option and things you can do, and also you have option to play around with this option. So this is the design we can do with Debutify theme for a one product store, and the rest things you can do is unlimited. You can just play around with these things. So this is the purpose of the tutorial, to show you how you can design one product Shopify dropshipping store with Debutify theme, the latest version 3. Hope you like the video about the design, and if that helps, please like the video and let me know in the comment. And if you have any suggestion about any tutorial in the future about Debutify, let me know in the comment as well. And hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching the video.